All right, so we're gonna change the oil in the lower unit on the Honda 4-stroke. There's a screw right here to drain it, and then there's a screw right here, an upper screw for the oil level. So we'll loosen this bottom one, and it'll drain the oil out, and then we'll basically refill it after it's empty. So, and then this top one will let air in. See, it goes a lot faster. All right, let's let those drain, and then we'll come back to it.
Go.
All right, so oil's been drained. It's still kind of like sipping out a little bit. We're gonna thread in this fitting. This is Honda SAE 80W90 gear oil. This little fitting threads in to the opening, and then that'll allow us to pump this up. You have to fill it from the bottom up. If I can get it started. So it has like an O-ring on it. And it should you just finger tighten this. This has to be in too. And then we're gonna pump it until it comes out of this hole. When it comes out of that hole, we're gonna put the screw back in on the top. This has to be tighter. Be losing a little bit of air right here. All right. It's definitely taking oil because this bottle was totally full when I started.
How many ounces is that reservoir?
I don't know.
You don't know.
It's not very much. It's only this pan. So it's like less than a quart. I think it was like half a quart last time. But you'll see it'll just kind of start pouring out of that top opening. Yeah, we're already like down 4 or 5 ounces.
There it is.
Okay.
You hold that?
Yeah.
Wow.
So there's 2 different screws. The one that's like a Phillips head, or yeah, Phillips head is the top one. The bottom one was a flat head. So I was just gonna let it sit for a second. I've heard you just give it a second, and then you do like another pump, and then just like make sure it works its way back down. Let's see. All right, put this back in. Okay. All right, so put the top one in first. This should keep oil from seeping back down. So we're gonna have to carefully take this off and then put the other screw in right away before it leaks everywhere.
Nice and slippery.
Yeah, kind of a messy job. All right, cool. So we'll wipe everything off. The next day you can check it. So if you take this out, you can put like, if you'd be able to stick your finger in there, it should be all the way full, like a screwdriver, just as a way to check the level.